Big changes in Tesla. What is the humanoid robot from Tesla supposed to serve? According to the creators, the robot is supposed to do the simple daily duties that people do not want to do. Although the authors do not specify the scope of the robot's skills so far, we can guess that it is about such activities as washing, cleaning or shopping. This is what Musk said about his duties. Anything people don't want to do, Optimus will do. It might be hard to imagine, but we're still developing it. We'll make sure it's safe, with no Terminators or anything like that. Optimus will really change the world more than cars. The robots are designed to perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive or boring, says Tesla's website. The humanoid robot from Tesla will be 172 centimeters high and weighing 56 kilograms. Instead of the face, a display and a speaker will appear. This allows you to work in an environment created by people, for people. Optimus is to move at a maximum speed of 8 kilometers per hour. Ningda Shi Dai New Energy Technology Co. Limited, i.e., unveiled its latest Qilin battery pack, formerly known as Kirin. According to the manufacturer, the Qilin battery charges faster and allows you to travel a greater distance on a single charge than any other battery previously produced by CATL than any mass-produced battery in the world. The company says cars equipped with new batteries will be able to travel more than 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. CATL has quadrupled its heat transfer surface by placing a liquid cooling element, usually found on the bottom of the battery cells, between the cells. This allows for shorter charging times, better thermal control of cell temperature and faster heating of cells at low temperatures, which translates into better performance. Aviation is a big problem for the climate, because this type of transport is responsible for the emission of over 1 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year. What to do with this? Scientists have ideas, and one of them has to do with the use of electricity. What about electric planes? Such planes are also available. They were produced by one company in Slovakia, which is a pioneer of electric aviation. For now, these planes can fly 150 kilometers, but this is already a great step towards protecting the environment and not polluting it with carbon dioxide. More planes are being prepared for takeoff in 2023 over a much longer distance.